last episode, we went sailing with Delos to a little island called Isla Tigre in the middle of San Blas, where there was a reenactment of the revolution. But the next day early, I ran out of water. Bugger. Time to go to the river again. Delos and Calico Skies offered to give me water, but I need to fill the tanks, people. That would stretch the boundaries of friendship, I think. Anyway, it's a bit of adventure, so I've got to go up there, and I think I'm going to meet them up at another place. Bye-bye, good people. I'll fill up water, and I'll see you in probably half a day, maybe a day. I'm sure they're going to miss me. I'm not much of a party person. There's a party on the island, but I came back to do videos, people. Finished off 2 videos to upload this morning as I pick up the water. You're going to make some sacrifices. There's a fiesta here too, festival, and so I can't buy water from the guys. I like to support the guys occasionally. I mean, I like going and getting my water as well. I usually get 1 round of those and I buy 1 round of those. But they're all, the guy goes, they're all drinking, so there's no water for 3 days. They're drinking for 2.5 days further. So I'm just gonna have to do 3 runs. Anyway, that should, won't quite fill me up, but it'll be about 60%. That's good enough. Gonna do my washing too. These guys are also filling up. I mean, it's a different world here, people. They have to go out every day or 2. It's amazing. Looks like I'm gonna be washing my clothes that I'm wearing, because I've already stinkified them up. I'll put them back on, and then I'll be the clothesline, people. Okay, I'm going to do the washing here because the other gooners get their water from just up here, so I want to make sure that if I do the washing, it's not going to, you know, go into their supply. Look at me wash, people. Alright, quick rinse. Rinse cycle, people. This is hard keeping in the frame, people. It's more work than bloody doing the bloody washing. We might get 3 extra views this week. Or double the views, people. This is where the gooners usually come, so I'm going to drift and do this rinse. I've got to rinse these clothes. Well, that's easy. I'll rinse them right now. Any crocs? Well, oh baby, that wasn't a fart, people. Okay, there's second rinse. Excellent, top stuff, well done. How nice is this spot, people? It's beautiful. Oh, bugger. Alright, I'll turn it up on the other side. Cool. This is why we don't wash up with fresh. We wash up with salt. You imagine doing this all the time? As it is, I get away with, well, if I fill up, that's good for like a month and a half. But it's a full day's work.
I only did 2 trips, so water is only at about 40%. That's good enough. Now to go find Delos.
Oh, brilliant. I thought Delos and Calico Skies were up here. Looks like they might have moved. It's a very rocky, rolly anchorage. Well, unless you really get tucked up into it. But I got Brian's bananas. I sent him a text and he goes, oh, get me some bananas. It's a bit late. But anyway, this is Uber Eats, Brian. I'm sailing, but where are you? Apparently that's Delos there. They've been waiting.
Made it!
But I got your bananas.
Oh, you do? Amazing!
Yeah, but they're green.
That's cool, even better.
There you go. You want to go for a spear? I'm going right now.
You're going right now?
Yeah.
Or
tomorrow.
I gotta get some lunch. Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, okay. All right, no worries. All right, hello little birdful. Well, I've got to go. I've got to get some.
You gotta meet our Australian mate.
I definitely will. Look, it's.
Excited to meet you.
Yeah. Wow, look at that. It's very futuristic, isn't it?
Yeah. Straight out of the future.
Yeah. All right, well, I'll see you later on. I'm going to go right now. All right, see you in a bit. How cool is this? 3 channels again, people, and a very flash-looking catamaran. Excellent. All right, let's get into it. I don't have much time, and I'm hungry for fish. Okay, got to get some fish. Haven't had fish in a long time, people. Crazy.
Mm-hmm.
These jacks are good eating, but there is better eating fish out there. Let's go for one of those. Damn waves had me hit the rock and make too much noise. I won't be seeing him anytime soon. I was starting to think I wasn't going to get anything. We can't have Delos and the rest starving. run.
Okay, we're on this island, Myriadeadup. I just call it M-Dup. Australians. We shorten all this. All these charts, it'll all be changed. One syllable or less, people. Barbecue with Delos in a bit, and Calico Skies and Andy, our new Australian, Western Australian friends. He's a friggin' hoot. Very smart guy, very funny. He'll be over in a sec. I'm gonna go start the fire and get the pumpkin on because the pumpkin takes the longest. And we're running out of daylight and maybe we're in for some weather. Everything's wet. Every time I go get wood, I come back and there's nothing there. I need a hand. Come on, people. There's 3 channels here plus another couple.
Uh-huh. Not much fun and excitement. Time to weave some magic.
Andy, WA. Charlie, WA.
Yes.
Kaza, America. Brian.
Sweden.
Hey.
Oh yeah, sorry. This is going the bloopers, people. Andy from WA.
Yeah, mate.
Charlie from WA. Gaza from Sweden. Grace from Canada. Brian from America. Bill from, I don't know, New York, America. And yours truly, you know where I'm from? Basically San Blas.
Well, it's only Mexican stuff, but you know, it'll do. I haven't got a bottle over.
Is it twist on?
No, they're Mexican stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll do. Beautiful. There we go, mate.
Woohoo! Cheers. Thank you, Andy. Well done.
One Aussie.
Cheers, mate.
Oh, baby.
Hey.
All right. Haven't had a beer in forever, people. Yeah, it still tastes like beer. Gotcha. Good stuff.
My beer had a hole in it and it was also evaporating too quickly. Better drink it up fast. Mmm, fish head.
Andy, how do you like your head, buddy?
In the morning.
Hey, Charlie. How do you like your head? How do you like your head? Is that good enough for you?
Look at the eyes looking at you.
I know.
I can cover up its eyes if you get uncomfortable eating its brains.
Yeah.
That grouper was looking just right. Carcass for the caveman and pumpkin for the troops.
That is a big hermit crab.
Num 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 num. Andy.
Editor, note to editor.
Do not include that part.
I love my carcass, people. It's so good. It's the juiciest bit. It's unreal. So oh, he just stuck it. Oh, that's, he gave him a wet willy, but with his tongue.
Wet Willie.
Oh.
I'm gonna go take a shower and cry right now.
And after that, although heartbroken that Andy didn't give me special attention, and Charlie's farting, it's time to go to bed. Good night, people. I hope you're not eating.
Thank you all for watching and being part of the whole thing. If everything goes as planned, I really hope to be on some future videos again on Sailing into Freedom 2, with the only problem that if I go back there, I might not want to leave again.